Hello? Can anyone hear me? We're stranded out here, they're coming. Please, pick up.
Yes, I need emergency assistance right now. A massive snake has a cow on Route 40.
I need rescue immediately! A giant python is constricting a cow!
It's on the highway, right?
Sounds me it. I'll be there immediately. I'm waiting to have this.
Is that a python? Mobilize the helicopter and the rescue truck.
Head for the highway immediately.
Medical bag and rope secured. Loading the rifle now.
Hurry up, we need to move. All weapons secure. Cockpit is clear.
Over here! Hurry, it's crushing the cow!
Pull! Pull! Throw the net now!
Secure the perimeter, watch the tail. Hold it, hold the line.
Pull tighter on the ropes.
Don't let it turn. Dig in, secure it now.
Pull! 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 Hold it!
Lower it slowly, watch the cables. All clear. Yeah, that was a close one.
We did it! Hooray!
Easy does it, just a little.